Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you how to remove and replace the power mirror switch. Okay, now to remove this switch, first you will have to remove this complete assembly. Now there is no screws holding this piece. All you have to do, you just have to pry it out using a plastic pry tool or flat screwdriver, but in that case you have to be very careful not to damage the panel. Okay, now the first thing you should remove is this small plastic cover down here, so it's not on the way. So this thing also just pops out, right? There are two black tabs holding it in place. Okay, you see. And once you have that off the way, you'll be able to grab this top piece right here and pop it out as well. And now for this part, there's also a couple of tabs holding it in place, so you just have to pry it underneath here to get it out. Okay, so in my case I had to use a flat screwdriver just to pry it down here because that plastic piece was just too weak, and I just want to go all around gently and lift it up, right? Okay, just like that. Now the next thing you should be doing, you should disconnect all of the wires behind it so you can completely remove this assembly, and then you can carefully remove the old switch without breaking these tabs here, and then install the new switch. Now to disconnect these things, first you have this big connector. You want to pull this safety off and then just press onto this black tab here and disconnect it. It's a bit hard to do it with one hand. Okay, sorry about that. I had to use my other hand just to be able to hold this piece while I disconnect it. Now the other one, also small black tab here on the top, which you want to press and disconnect. And this last one, there is like this tab just here. You have to push this in and pull it out under this black piece. So pretty much you have to push it in here and pull out, and for that again I'll have to use both of my hands so I don't break anything, but this is the idea. Okay, now once this is all nice and disconnected, you can get this piece, turn it upside down, and now this is the switch, right? It's gonna be held just by 4 small black tabs here. You see 2 will be on this side and 2 on the opposite side. So all you have to do, you have to pry the switch out to remove it. There is no screws holding it or anything like that. And now again you just have to use a small screwdriver or a tool like this to gently pry it out. So you see, just want to kind of get in here and remove these tabs and then pull the switch out. But this is something again I'll have to use both of my hands to be able to do. Once I remove it, I will show you how it looks. Okay, so I've got it off. So like I said, 4 small tabs and 4 openings here where the tabs sit in place. Now once you get the new switch, to install it you just have to push it in. So just place it here and push it straight in, and it should click in place. Okay, see, that's it. Now you can get this new switch brand new from a Chevy dealer, but that's the most expensive option. Other option is trying to get the aftermarket one at any car parts store or somewhere online, and your cheapest option is just getting one from a local car salvage, so a used one, but they won't charge you more than 10-15 bucks for it. And yeah, that's it. Once you're done, just connect back everything up and push this thing in, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.